Singapore-based Locofy, backed by Accel, unveils its groundbreaking tool, Lightning, designed to simplify front-end development. Built on large design models (LDMS), Lightning, a Figma plugin, promises to convert Figma and AdobeXD prototypes into functional code with a single click, automating nearly 80% of the front-end development process. Recognizing the challenges faced by developers in translating designs into code, Locofy aims to alleviate the burden, enabling lean startups to focus on market strategies. The tool, initially launched for Figma, plans to expand its compatibility to other design tools later this year. Locofy has invested over $1 million in developing Lightning, leveraging AI-based techniques and large design models trained on a vast dataset. The company, founded in 2021, has raised $7.5 million and anticipates monetization in 2024, offering a revolutionary approach to AI-driven code generation.